You know, there's a saying that if you do what you enjoy, it's not really work. And I think many of the people on our team, probably the majority of them, that's the way they feel. You know, we actually really enjoy the creative side, the problem solving side. You know, and one of the coolest things that myself and I know my sales reps all share is we get to go and see how people make their widgets. And to us, that's fascinating, you know? People don't have any idea what it takes to make stuff. You know, the simplest product to the most complicated product, so many things go into it. I mean, look at what we do. We make labels, right? It's a little piece of paper or plastic that goes on and has graphics and logos, and that's all people think. They have no idea all the work that goes into it. And it's not like we're just taking labels off the shelf. Everything we do for each of our customers is a new recipe. You know, it's a new custom-made product, and we do it every day.